All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to download videos from Pinterest. Now, unfortunately, you are going to need to use an app or an outside downloader because Pinterest does not make it easy to download videos from their platform. But with that said, here we go. This is how I download the videos. You need to obviously open up a video and you're just going to copy the link to the video. Now I'm using savepin.app. This one has actually been working fairly well. I've been able to download MP4s so I can add the downloaded video into my Photos app once it's downloaded. I'll drop the link to this in the description below. Now, with any downloader, you're going to have a ton of ads. That's how these things make money. So just be aware of that. But just find the area that you need to copy or paste the link and go ahead and paste that link in from Pinterest and select the download button. And here we go. So here we have the video, the MP4. Just select download again and hit download. Now I'm on the iPhone, so my downloads is going to be up here. I'm just going to select that, downloads. All you need to do is open up your downloads folder, wherever it may be. And this first one is going to be our video. Here it is. And I'm going to hit the share button, and in the share, I'm just going to select the save video. And that should add it directly into my Photos app. So yeah, that's the process. If this helps you, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.